Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna tell you how I shoot my videos and how to create a tripod. Yes, actually it doesn't require any selfie stick. As you might have seen, it always requires a selfie stick, which most of you don't have. It's very affordable and I think you can even make it, and there are very little things which you need. So you need a scissor, a stapler, or a hot glue gun if you have. I'm using stapler because I don't have hot glue gun, and a big cardboard box. I'm telling you the measurements. It is 15 by 30 centimeter. You can see it's 15 by 30 centimeter. So as you all know, you might be wondering how am I recording. I'm using my one hand to record because I haven't made the tripod yet. So to make it, you have to fold it from here. You have to fold it like this and make a triangle. And by making triangle, it's very affordable then, because it can bear any size. From here you can do the shorter ones, and here you can do the bigger ones. Even tablets are good with this. So as you can see, if I do like this, it's nice, but you can see that this thing is coming, the cardboard. And if we do like this looks more nice. Okay, so now we have to staple this. So now you guys can see I have just stapled this. It looks ugly though. You can also paint it so that it looks more nice. So if you want, if the phone doesn't balance nicely, then you can even cut out notches, and this looks very nice. It gives you a very big area to record, and the higher the tripod you make, you can do this betterly. If you try horizontal, then you could record with a little more space, and you can just do like this. If you want your phone to be placed perfectly, then you can just even cut 2 notches according to the measurements. I don't want to cut notches because it takes too much time. Like this, you can place your phone and make your videos quite nicely. It doesn't require anything special. I'm repeating that. So if you like the video, do subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.